Hi everyone, New England Gardening here, and this is a strawberry tower I put together maybe 3 weeks ago now. I was a little concerned when I uprooted these strawberries and put them in potting soil, or yeah, it's the potting mix. But I just noticed today, as you can see, got some nice red coming out on this strawberry here. And yeah, other than keeping up with the watering, this particular one, no affiliation. I purchased it myself from Home Depot. It was a little misleading, the size. I was thinking of those larger ones that when these first came out, these towers. But I ended up buying this, and it's working out. I don't know what the varieties are. I have a bunch of labels. Early Glow, Sparkle, Quinault, Jewel. Some of these look pretty small, like maybe they're the Alpine varieties, I think they're called, Everbearing or something. But no, I brought them in here so the birds don't discover them. I don't know how long it's going to last, but other than keeping up with the watering, it seems to be working out. And I've got another one. And this is the box it came in. My first experience going online and ordering, and then they put it in a locker and notify you when, give you a code. So here's the little dish it comes with, and they're all stacked together, so it's pretty compact. You have to take it apart and stow it away again. And strawberries have pretty shallow root system, and they recovered pretty quickly. I almost put them in bare root. So I have some others that I'm going to put in this tower, so keep them away from any of the critters so they don't discover them, because they're getting noticeable now. So I have flowers on these smaller ones. Oh yeah, there's a smaller one here. Let me get the camera and show you some of the sizes here. It must be in like an Alpine variety. So I just noticed this today. Got a tinge of red on this one. And I actually did not notice that the smaller plants here have these little small strawberries on them, but got some nice clusters here. And like I said, it doesn't exactly work out if you just add water to the first. It drips in. It seems to bypass this one right underneath. I don't see how water goes in that one, maybe through the corner here. But there is some dripping that occurs into this one, but I just turn it around. So I'm not on a carousel or anything, so I just make sure I water each plant. Got flowers. The only thing I'm wondering about now is if any of the pollinators make it in here. Might cut down on production unless these are just self-pollinating. So yeah, let me get this one potted up. So I did just notice a couple of cuts here on this plant, so maybe they've already discovered these, so I'm going to shake this out, use some potting mix. Break it up so it's not clumped together from the weight of other bags sitting on it. And you don't want to bury the crown of a strawberry plant. This actually looks like the potting mix that I might have used already. So I have a pretty good root system. Break off some of these worn out looking or completely dead branches, or there. And yeah, nothing spectacular here. Did sort of put it in at an angle So you can see even in the soil that it's been in for a while. I've got some white looking roots there, but no intense root system. Should probably just cut these off with a pair of scissors. This actually looks like it has some, I might have buried it a little bit too deep. There's some rot going on in the crown. And that's what happens. Yeah, it gets some mold growing here. So this might be on its last leg. Let's see what happens with that. Okay, this has got some nice roots to it. So just water that in. And go on to the next level. Alright everyone, you probably don't know, I'm back. Funny thing happened to me while building the second tier for the second strawberry tower. I realized that I had only picked up one of the boxes that I had purchased. This first time I used the option to pick up at the store, and they have these lockers. So I took the box out after entering, they give you a code, and it was waist high. I took out the box, not realizing that there was probably two boxes, or there were two boxes I needed to pick up. But I've yet to go back there to see if two boxes would have fit in the locker. I'm not even certain. But props to Home Depot. No affiliation, no sponsor. I paid for these things, these products myself, but I called them like a month later because it was about a month had passed before I opened up the box. This here is 6, and I had ordered 2 5s. I wanted to go higher, and opened up the box, and while I was putting this one together, realized, wait a minute, this is shorter than this, and then it dawned on me what I had ordered. So that was like May 26th, I think, that I was starting this video. It's now June 1st. It's starting to rain out. Temperatures dropped significantly. It's 61 degrees right now. Cool, nice, dry weather. Saturday, today's Monday, I think Saturday it was like 86, very humid. So quite a temperature swing, but I've got these nice clusters of strawberries I want to pick before the chipmunks or critters find a way in here. So let's take a look. Start picking some strawberries. Yes, so you can see here I'm one level short, and that's when it dawned on me that I had decided to go with 2 quantity for the 5 tier. So this one would have been 10 high. So I had to figure out exactly, that's when it dawned on me what the mistake I had made. But Home Depot promptly refunded my money, and I was really appreciative of that. So yeah, we've got some nice strawberries here. I'll start picking these without pulling the plants out. I don't know what variety this is. Very nice looking strawberry. Might as well try one, right? Very nice. And I have some more here. Maybe not that one. That's a nice large one there. I already had an apple chewed off of my tree. It's about the size of a, smaller than a strawberry, and green. And my guess is it's chipmunks. They even eat green strawberries. They will strip your strawberry plant of green strawberries. So let me pick the rest of these. So, nice little harvest of strawberries from this strawberry tower. Again, don't know what variety it is. I get these smaller ones. I think they're alpine type of variety. But yeah, for those of you wanting to get into gardening, strawberries are a nice start. Even if you just have a balcony, you can get something like a strawberry tower, or something that clips on a railing to plant some nice strawberry plants. So this is doing the gardening. Today is June 1st, 2022. Wow, already going into June. So thanks for watching.